in there. Right, do I put the ice cubes in? Of course I do. Wow, that's a stinky pan. Hey everyone, Dylan Fairman here, and I am bringing you another creation from Cooking with Dill! Two things today. Two things that I have made never before. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen, but hopefully no one dies. Are you ready to experience what we're gonna be cooking? The blue taste of the Windex martini is amazing, but let's not get too far ahead here. We need to make our main thing here first, glass. What do? We clean glass with Windex. Windex cleans glass. Let's do it. Well, what we got here is a saucepan, a regular saucepan. It's kind of charred a little bit. Woo! Sound of music. It's a little charred here because I fucked up one day. But this is where we're gonna be starting to mix all of our shit together. First we need water. 1 cup in there. That's pretty good. Notice how rock steady my hands are. I don't spill. Okay, it's half right there. 1, 2, 3. All right, time to get some tartar. All right. Here we are. Oh, there it is. It makes me want to party. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, I'll put that in there. So I'm just gonna mix all this. More corn syrup. Sugary. Here we go. Watch out, it could be hot. I'm a little problematic. There we go. Oops. And what you're gonna want to do is constantly stir it. That's all I know. That's all I wrote down. You don't want it to be hot enough so that it caramelizes like a caramel. Like a little baby caramel apple. Like a little caramel apple. Oh God. This is taking a long time. All right. Oh shit. Now we let that sit. Make sure to pop all the bubbles. Pop. Pop. We're gonna pop them all. Well, looks like we're getting to the portion of the film, the main event, you could say. I guess I need this now. All right. Tequila. We need blue. And we need green. So first you put like that. You put poop. You put that in there. Is that a lot? Is that too much? Let's go with that. That's a lot better than the tequila, dude. It's real lime. Nothing better than a little Windex, am I right? Canada. Too many people are dying, too many people are
No.
Get off of me!
No, stop.
Get off of me!
You've had enough.
There's enough!
Okay.
What are you doing? What are you all doing with your lives, you sick fucking pigs of people? You go home and you watch Netflix and you just think you're just the fucking shit. Just sitting there being all cool. Oh my god, I went to university. Get fucked, okay? Get fucked. I can do whatever I want. You know?
I think you've had a lot.
Touch me. Don't fucking touch me, dude. I'm fucking serious.
Okay,
I'm trying to do a video here.
Stop it. No, but you've had a lot.
Get your fucking hand out of here.
Dude,
I'll bite it off.
Look how much you've had, like.
Dude, the most of it's not even mine. This isn't even mine. Life's like a box of chocolates. Fuck you.
Clean workstation.
Oh my god. Pocket shot. I did it. I'm the man. Hey, who's ready to party? I'm ready to party. Wow! That's amazing. Looks real good, but you know what would make it even better? Let's get some glass. It's glass! I'm hungry. Are you?